So guys, this is for the YouTube video. So I am paddling out on sunny Loch Lomond, and look at this for a view, guys. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely, like, you just couldn't get this anywhere in the world, man. This is brilliant. Look. So this is one end of Loch Lomond, and that's where our setup for the night is. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to venture out, and this is deep water with some big pike in it. There's different species of trout as well, and there's big perch and stuff like that. So I'll talk you through. I'll slow the boat down a wee bit. I'll put the oar in, and this is what I'm using. So I'm using a 9-weight fly rod, Pike Fly rod. I've got floating line on with my sinking fly perch colours. And I'm just going to let this unhook. I'm going to let some line out, and I'm just going to flick it over and just going to fly fish from the boat. So I'll put it in front and get it out. Once I've got it out, I can put some more line out and get it out further, and I can let it sink. Fly fish from the boat. Look at that, guys. Like, straight out, dive it. Like, you just can't ask for any more than this. This is absolutely amazing. And I will just gradually pull it in, and look at that, right away up the top end. Holy shit, guys, this is amazing. Pardon my swearing, but this is just what I live for. This is absolutely amazing. Like, this is out of this world for me. Like, I just love it. Love it and love it and love it and love it. And I just wish I could stay up here like all the time. I've got different flies with me too. I'm using a perch fly now, but I'm just letting it splash the top of the water, create a bit of motion. Mucked that one up a wee bit, but I'm gonna put it out there. And I'm going to let it sink a wee bit. I'm going to let it sink. Just reel in a wee bit more. I don't want hooked in any of my setup, so I've got my forceps and stuff here. And what I'm going to do is just let it sink. Let it sink. Just pull it a wee bit. Let it sink again. Are we bits where we're steins up there, but so I'll lift it again. Straight out in front of me and just let it float. And then sink right down into the middle. But I need to watch these guys with the jet skis because they're coming like 100 miles an hour. So if I keep the rod like that and I let my drag off, and I'm winding back slowly because I can hear them coming, and it causes a huge tidal wave. And I'm just going to let my perch fly come with me. That's it, look, paddling in nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I can see myself, I didn't realise I was actually right in the middle of the water there. It's so easy to just drift away. And hopefully a pike will take the line. It's not actually not that far away actually. And this is great, just gradually, slowly stop myself, and then sit that in like that, and I can continue with the fly. So I'm just going to sit that there, and I'm going to bring myself back a wee bit and into the boat, and I'll let you know, I'll turn it back on when we get there, guys.